Good morning, dear viewers. Welcome to my channel once again. Just so you don't miss out on any new videos that we're gonna upload, hit the subscribe button right on the bottom left corner of your screen. In today's video, we're going to talk about something that most people really overlook. Yeah. All around our homes, we do have spaces in the compound, but most times I see people planting a lot of flowers, red, yellow, green. The whole compound looks like Christmas, something of sorts. But why wouldn't you think of planting some vegetables? Yeah. For the sake of our viewers, my viewers in Kenya, Uganda, you can take a chance. Take a chance on, say, eggplants. Eggplants can be planted around your house. Eggplants, you know what they call entula? These bitter berries, yeah. Then you can do kales, carrots. All these are things that you can plant all around your compound. Yeah. And they don't need a lot. A sacket of 50 grams goes for 2,000 shillings. That's for the case of Uganda. For the case of Kenya, I believe it's around 50 shillings or 25. Something around there. Just take a look at this. I want to be more practical. I'm taking a more practical approach as I show you some of these things. Yeah. Instead of planting flowers, you can just do this. It saves you a lot of hassle. It will save you from a lot of issues, emergencies. Imagine you come back from work very late in the evening, then you need to prepare something quick. That is what we call entula, the opposite of eggplants, biringanya. These are the green bitter berries. Well, I see. As you can see, there are some few small developing. Some of them are, I think someone must be harvesting them without my knowledge, but I still get something I use at home. Yeah. What's the essence of planting rose flowers all around the house when you can do just this and save yourself a cost? Now this is kales, sukuma wiki. Yeah. So just as I've shown you, that is it. You don't need to have a lot of flowers in your compound when you can utilize the space profitably. Imagine if you have to buy vegetables every day, but then you cut out that cost and plant them in your compound, those small spaces. It will save you a lot of money. Hey viewers, thanks for watching, and let's catch up next time. Don't forget to share, like, and most importantly, please subscribe. We are bringing you more interesting and educational videos on the farm and a lot of topics we shall be tackling. Catch up next time. Bye bye.